In this video, we will write the standard form equation of a circle given the center and the radius, or a point on the circle. Remember that the model for the equation of a circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to the radius squared, where h and k are the coordinates of the center. So that's why my equation is going to be x plus 4 squared, alright, I'm doing the opposite sign, plus y minus 2 squared is equal to now 36, the radius squared. So this is the answer to number 1. Alright, for number 2, we just have to be careful using the calculator. So here I'm going to have x minus 3 squared plus y minus 3 squared is equal to the radius 4 radical 2 squared. Now you can't leave the radius like this. You have to go ahead and put that in your calculator. You must use parentheses though. So 4 radical 2 squared is going to give me 32. So we have x minus 3 squared plus y minus 3 squared is equal to 32. Alright, now number 3. This time they did not give us the radius, they gave us a point on the circle. So you can either use the distance formula, or I really guess it's the same thing. The way I look at it, I start with the model equation of a circle. So I know I'm going to start off with x minus 4 squared plus y plus 5 squared, excuse me, is equal to the radius squared. Alright, I do the opposite of this and the opposite of that. When they give me a point on the circle, I think of it as they are giving me an x and a y. So I could take this 8 and put it in for x, and I could take this negative 2 and put it in for y. So I'm going to have an 8 here, and I'm going to have a negative 2 here. So that's going to give me 8 minus 4 squared plus negative 2 plus 5 squared is equal to the radius squared. Okay, I could do this piece by piece, or I could put it in my calculator. Alright, whatever is easiest for you. Alright, negative 2 plus 5 squared, so I've got negative 2 plus 5. Whoa, I forgot a parentheses, didn't I? Okay, that's 25. Alright, so 25 is the radius squared. So I will just wind up taking this and putting it back in. So that's why the final answer is going to be x minus 4 squared plus y plus 5 squared. Alright, I'm going back to this again, which came from the center. But now I know what the radius squared is. It's 25. Notice I don't need to take the square root. I don't want the radius. I want the radius squared, and that's what this is. Here endeth the lesson.